Hey there, drone enthusiasts! In today's video, I am going to count down the 5 best mini drones for every budget. Let's find your perfect flying companion. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is nothing short of spectacular. The Mini 4 Pro's small size is deceiving because it packs a punch. It's incredibly lightweight and portable, making it perfect for travel or spontaneous shooting sessions. The 48MP camera is a game-changer. Its clarity and detail in the photos and videos are stunning, even in low-light conditions. The 4K video quality is crisp, with excellent color accuracy, making my footage look professional right out of the box. The intelligent flight modes like Focus Track, Master Shots, and Hyperlapse are incredibly intuitive and have allowed me to capture cinematic shots with minimal effort. The obstacle avoidance system is top-notch, giving me confidence to fly in more challenging environments. Take control of your drone's tracking trajectory with the new Active Track 360 degrees. Achieve complex and seamless operation effects. Even if you're a beginner, getting started and capturing smooth videos is effortless. Ryze Tello. Equipped with a high-quality image processor, the Tello drone shoots incredible photos and videos. Even if you don't know how to fly, you can record pro-level videos with easy shots and share them on social media from your smartphone. Despite its low price, the Tello packs a punch with a 5MP camera and 720p HD video. It's incredibly lightweight and easy to fly, making it a great option for kids and beginners. Tello has 2 antennas that make video transmission extra stable and a high-capacity battery that offers impressively long flight times. Plus, it's got some cool features like flip and throw-and-go modes. DJI Mini 2 For. This DJI drone is lightweight with QHD video and compact, weighing less than 249 grams. It's perfect for taking on hikes, road trips, and other adventures, allowing you to capture stunning aerial moments from above wherever you go. Enjoy longer flights with DJI Mini 2 For, which offers a 31min max flight time. The DJI Fly app has easy-to-use shooting templates that allow the drone to automatically fly, record, and generate professional-level videos that can be shared directly on social media. With simplified operations, the drone is easy to learn and master quickly, making it ideal for beginners. It has ensuring a worry-free flying experience. Potensic A20 for kids and beginners. If you're looking for something even more budget-friendly, check out the Potensic A20, priced around $50. This drone is great for complete beginners who want to get a feel for flying without spending a lot. It has a 720p camera and is designed for stable flight, which is perfect for learning. With more fun functions like headless mode, 3 speeds adjustable, remote control, and so on, all of which make the A20 drone an ideal gift for kids. Grab one and surprise your kids with this cool toy drone. Come with 3 drone batteries, this micro drone aims to extend your fun flight time up to 15 to 18 minutes. Enjoy more fun time with your kids or friends. Holy Stone HS110D. For those who want a bit more functionality without spending too much, the Holy Stone HS110D is a great option at around $120. Holy Stone HS900. GPS drones with camera for adults 4K, equipped with 3-axis brushless gimbal to ensure smooth and steady filming in winds of up to 38 kph. It also includes a follow me mode and altitude hold, which can make capturing video a lot easier. This mini drone with camera doesn't need FAA registration or a remote ID in the States. Plus, its sturdy build means it can handle a few bumps. Enjoy pure thrill and total freedom with Holy Stone HS110D FPV-RC drone. Got any questions or want to share your favorite drone? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.